Understanding the phrase, party hat on, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, party hat on. This is a fun and interesting expression that you might come across in various English-speaking contexts. So, let's get started and explore what it means to have your party hat on. First, let's break down the phrase. A party hat is a hat that people often wear at celebrations or parties. It's usually colorful, sometimes cone-shaped, and is associated with fun and festivities. When we talk about a party hat, we're referring to this kind of decorative headwear. However, the phrase, party hat on, goes beyond the literal meaning of wearing a party hat. When someone says, party hat on, they're using it in a figurative sense. It means to get into a festive or celebratory mood. It's like saying, get ready to have fun, or prepare to enjoy yourself. This phrase can be used in various situations where there is an expectation of enjoyment, celebration, or letting loose. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used in everyday conversation. Before a party, we've got the music, snacks, and games ready. Party hat on. At work or in a meeting, we just finished a big project successfully. Time to put our party hats on and celebrate. Among friends, it's the weekend. Let's put our party hats on and have a great time. It's important to note that party hat on is a casual and informal phrase. You'll hear it more in social settings among friends or colleagues. It's not commonly used in formal contexts. Also, this phrase reflects a cultural aspect of English-speaking societies where celebrations and having a good time are often symbolized by party hats and similar items. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase, party hat on. Remember, it's all about getting into a celebratory spirit and enjoying the moment. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and don't forget to occasionally put your party hat on in your English language journey. See you in the next video.